Okay. Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad.
Hey guys, welcome to Drift Friends TV. So today, it's probably been long awaited because it's all we talk about on Instagram and everything now, and that's the M54 S14. So all it's going to be today really is just chat everyone through it, what we've done, kind of how we've done it, show everyone round under the bonnet. I was going to say hood then, inside in the boot, and then start her up for you, and then give her a little drive. So that's the end of my face now because I'm going to see that. This is the car. So as you all know, it's good landscape. This is, I think it's a 1997 200SX S14A, the Corky. And I had this like about 2 years now. Build has been a bit slower than I wanted it to be, but again, not much left to do now. When we got it, I had still got the adjustable arms. It came with adjustable arms underneath. Crack windscreen because it's a drift car, but I will get it fixed. You can have the stickers, little togies, bit of Drift Friends on there, Violent D, Street Track Life. Don't think there's anything on the other side, is there? Oh yeah, Tiguan, because obviously this was not an import at all. You can have the tape. So the inside, all spray satin black. So why don't we jump in? Why don't we start her up, eh? See what you do. Leave the fan on. Oh. Of course. Jump can. The lights plugged in the moment, but yeah, that's about it. So I've done some driving clips, you'll see them in a sec. So what I'll do now is just park it up, sign this video off. Anything anybody else wants to know about it, about the build, about the wiring, saying that the harness is from ACT Steering and Electrics, and it's what everybody uses when they put M54s into E30s, etc. But unlike them where they've got the plugs already on them, we asked for them bare, and it's literally 6 wires. They're all marked, they're all coloured, they're all marked up for you. I'll put a link, I'll put the eBay link to it in the description actually for anyone who wants to do this. Like any other questions anybody wants, don't be afraid to ask. Obviously we're getting to the end of it now. Want to paint it as well. I won't give away the colour yet or the design we got for it. And we need to be 2022. We need to be hitting some drift days, I think. she runs, she drives. I'm sure you'll see she does a little skid as well. So yeah, I'm going to close it out with you guys, see how it goes. So thanks for watching guys, please subscribe, comment, give it a like. Any questions just let us know on Instagram, and we'll see you next time. Cheers guys.